7.3, example 6. We have 6x squared plus x minus 15 over 4x squared. This is the same thing as 3x squared plus 5x over 1. So if we invert, so that's our first step, is invert, because we have division again. Then we will put 1 over 3x squared plus 5x. So we need to factor this. This is a trinomial. And doesn't look very nice. We have, I'll do the x over here, factors of 6 times negative 15. So 6 times negative 15 gives us negative 90. And they need to equal 1. So 90. 1 and 90, 2 and 45, 3 and 30. 9 and 10. 9 and 10. So it has to be positive. When multiplied, it has to be negative. So negative 9 and negative 10. So if we do x minus 9, x plus 10, we have a leading coefficient that is not 1. So we have to divide by 6 and then simplify. So x minus, divide that by 3, and that gives you 3 over 2. Divide that by 2, gives you 5 over 3, 5 over 3. Then swing this out so it's not a fraction. So 2x minus 3, 3x plus 5. So this belongs in the numerator. So we have 2x minus 3 times 3x plus 5. And then we have 1 on the top. On the bottom, we have 4x times x. In the event that there might be an x, we can factor out 3x squared plus 5. 2 terms. It's not a trinomial. We don't need to use our x. We'll just look at what we can take out of these 2 terms, their greatest common factor. And it looks like the only thing that they have in common is an x. So factor the x out. We're left with 3x plus 5. So we have factored this. There's only the 1 on top. We have the 4x squared on the bottom. And this bottom term, we factored out an x, and we're left with 3x plus 5. So now let's look at exclusions. So excluded values, we would set the 4x squared equal to 0, x equal to 0,